Picture this, a dark room, my laptop glowing, and the YouTube revenue dashboard showing 8,240. This isn't clickbait, this is real, and I'm about to show you how I did it. I'll break down every step, from picking a niche to cashing out my first big paycheck. It's not about luck or going viral overnight, it's about strategy, consistency, and hustle. Ready to see behind the scenes? Let's get into it. The very first step on your YouTube journey is choosing the right niche. This decision is more important than you might think. It's the foundation that will shape your entire channel, your content, and even your audience. Picking a niche isn't just about what's popular or trending, it's about finding the intersection between what you love, what you're good at, and what people actually want to watch. I started by diving deep into research. I explored Google Trends to see what topics were gaining momentum, and spent hours on YouTube's trending page, looking for patterns and ideas that sparked my interest. I wasn't just looking for what was hot, I wanted to find topics with high demand but low competition, those hidden gems where I could carve out my own space. I watched countless videos from creators in different niches, paying close attention to what worked and what didn't. I scrolled through comments to see what viewers were asking for, what they loved, and what they felt was missing. This helped me spot gaps in the market, opportunities where I could offer something fresh, something that hadn't been done 1,000 times before. But it wasn't just about trends or analytics. I made sure my niche matched my own passions and skills. I asked myself, could I see myself making videos about this topic for months or even years? Would I still be excited to create content when the initial buzz faded? I also considered monetization potential. Some niches like tech, finance, or education naturally attract more advertisers and sponsorships, which can be a big plus if you're hoping to turn your channel into a business. But here's the thing, don't just chase money or popularity. Audiences are smart. They can tell when you're not genuinely interested in your topic, and that lack of passion will show in your videos. If you're not excited about your niche, it'll be hard to keep going when things get tough, and your viewers will pick up on that energy. I also took a close look at the competition. I studied successful channels in my chosen niche, analyzing their content, style, and what made them stand out. Then I brainstormed ways to differentiate myself, maybe through a unique editing style, a fresh perspective, or by combining two topics in a way no one else had tried. Standing out is key, because YouTube is crowded, and you need to give viewers a reason to choose your channel over others. Remember, your niche isn't just about the topic, it's also about your voice, your personality, and the unique way you tell your story. People come for the content, but they stay for the creator. Don't be afraid to let your personality shine through, and don't worry if you're not like everyone else. That's actually your biggest strength. Take your time with this step. Research, reflect, and experiment if you need to. It's better to spend a little extra time now finding a niche you truly connect with than to burn out later because you picked something that doesn't inspire you. Choosing the perfect niche is the foundation for everything that comes next on your YouTube journey. Get this right, and you'll set yourself up for long-term success, growth, and fulfillment as a creator. Success on YouTube starts with a plan. I created a content calendar and outlined every video before filming. Planning titles and thumbnails ahead of time made my videos more clickable. Batching videos saved time and kept uploads consistent. I kept a running list of ideas on my phone so I never ran out. Setting monthly goals kept me motivated, even when views were low. Consistency and preparation are your secret weapons. Plan ahead, and you'll always be ready to create. Once I had my niche and a solid plan in place, I knew the real challenge was ahead, making videos that people simply couldn't scroll past or click away from. In today's world, attention is the most valuable currency, and every second counts. I realized that if I wanted to stand out, I had to create content that was not just good, but irresistible from the very first frame. That meant crafting a powerful hook within the first 10 seconds, something that would instantly grab viewers' curiosity or emotions. Whether it was a surprising question, a bold statement, or a visually stunning shot, I made sure my intros set the tone and made people want to see what happened next. But a strong start wasn't enough. I focused on clear, engaging storytelling throughout, weaving a narrative that kept viewers invested. I quickly learned that good audio was even more important than having the fanciest camera. If viewers can't hear you clearly, they'll leave, no matter how beautiful your visuals are. So, I invested in a decent microphone and paid close attention to sound quality, making sure every word was crisp and every background noise was minimized. Lighting and editing were my next priorities. Quick, purposeful editing kept the pace lively and prevented viewers from getting bored. I experimented with color grading and lighting setups to give my videos a polished, professional look, even when filming at home. These small details made my content feel more cinematic and visually appealing, but what truly made a difference was sharing stories, not just facts or tips. I opened up about my own experiences, challenges, and even failures. People connect with authenticity. They want to see the real person behind the camera, not just a presenter reading a script. By being genuine and vulnerable, I built trust and kept viewers coming back for more. I didn't stick to just one format either. I experimented with different video styles, vlogs, tutorials, challenges, and even short documentaries, until I found what resonated most with my audience. Each experiment taught me something new, about what kept people watching and what made them click away. Feedback and analytics became my secret weapons. I paid close attention to comments, likes, and especially retention graphs. Every upload was a chance to learn what worked, what didn't, and how I could improve next time. I wasn't afraid to ask my viewers directly what they wanted to see, and their input shaped my content in ways I never expected. Ultimately, my goal was simple. Keep viewers watching from start to finish. Every decision, from the hook to the editing, from the stories I told to the feedback I listened to, was about creating videos people just couldn't click away from. And with every upload, I got a little bit better at holding their attention. Thumbnails and titles are your first impression. Make them count. When someone scrolls through YouTube, they're bombarded with hundreds of videos, and your thumbnail and title are the only thing standing between your content and the endless sea of competition. Think of them as your digital storefront. If they're not eye-catching, people will just walk right by. I spent as much time on thumbnails as editing, using bold colors, big faces, and clear text. Every detail mattered. The way the colors popped, the emotion on the face, the clarity of the message. I'd zoom in, tweak the contrast, and make sure the text was readable even on the smallest phone screen. If a thumbnail didn't grab my attention in 2 seconds, I'd start over. Titles had to be irresistible, but honest. No clickbait. I wanted viewers to feel curious, excited, and confident that what they saw was what they'd get. I'd brainstorm dozens of options, testing which words sparked the most interest. Sometimes, a single word change made all the difference between a scroll past and a click. I used tools like TubeBuddy to test keywords and brainstorm options. These tools helped me see what people were actually searching for, so I could craft titles that matched real interests. I'd analyze trends, compare search volumes, and even look at what my competitors were doing to find gaps I could fill. I asked friends which thumbnail they'd click on for outside perspective. Sometimes, what made sense to me didn't stand out to others. Getting honest feedback helped me spot confusing images or weak titles before I hit publish. It's amazing how a fresh set of eyes can reveal what you might miss after hours of editing. Consistent branding helped viewers recognize my videos instantly. I developed a signature style, using the same fonts, colors, and logo placement, so even if someone saw my video out of context, they'd know it was mine. Over time, this built trust and made my channel feel like a familiar destination. The title and thumbnail had to work together for maximum impact. I'd make sure the emotion in the thumbnail matched the promise in the title, creating a story that viewers wanted to click on. If either one felt off, I'd rework them until they felt like a perfect pair. That combo is what gets you clicks, and clicks get you views. In the end, your thumbnail and title are your invitation to the party. If you get them right, you'll see your views climb, your audience grow, and your channel stand out in a crowded world. Uploading is just the start. Optimization is where the magic happens. I wrote keyword-rich descriptions and added relevant tags to help YouTube recommend my videos. Consistent upload schedules kept viewers coming back and boosted algorithm favor. I watched analytics closely, tweaking titles or thumbnails if a video underperformed. Playlists grouped my videos by topic, increasing watch time and recommendations. I replied to comments and built a loyal community. Optimization is ongoing. Always look for ways to improve. The more you engage, the more your channel grows. Promotion doesn't end at upload. I shared videos on all my socials and joined niche communities to add value and share expertise. Collaboration with other creators helped tap into new audiences. I engaged with every comment, sometimes mentioning viewers in future videos. Reminding viewers to like, subscribe, and share really boosted engagement. Building real connections turned viewers into loyal fans. Your audience is your biggest asset. Treat them well. Once I hit YouTube's requirements, I enabled ads and started earning. But ad revenue was just the beginning. I added memberships, super chats, and affiliate marketing. I only promoted products I believed in, keeping my recommendations genuine. Brand deals came as my channel grew, but authenticity always came first. I reinvested earnings into better gear and outsourcing tasks. The more I grew, the more I earned. Set new goals. $8,000 was just the start. That's how I made over $8,000 in 1 month on YouTube. It's not luck, it's strategy, consistency, and never giving up. Every creator starts with 0 subscribers and a dream. Stay consistent, keep learning, and start your journey today. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Your first paycheck could be closer than you think. Let me know if you need further tightening or want to adjust the tone.